In the ballistic tank, they have the pH and temperature.
Okay. If you did not there, then we can take one note. We can take one recommendation. Yeah, no, I'm putting it here. So reroute all the recovery. Where to reroute?
Reroute to balancing tank instead of an oxygen. What is
Okay, very good. Okay, guys. So for instrument,
Second point.
station? You are no
pH, temperature, ORP,
indication should be
what? ORP. Yeah, he will explain. No,
You have the MLS.
MLS is a ORP.
What do you sorry to put one?
You don't want to understand.
I want to understand.
No, you want to see what is the DO level. Then of it. ORP shows that there is no oxygen there. Then only denitrification happen properly. Otherwise, it will disturb the plant.
but online analyzer will not help.
pH, DO,
No analyzer. This is what we are talking.
pH, MLSS and DO is there.
Okay, what about ORP, temperature sensor?
Oh, temperature will come with pH.
Yes,
It's going to tax.
okay. ORP,
And as a practical, how you will control that?
But it is here. No, online analyzer is here.
But here one ORP they are asking.
No,
Yeah.
we have MLSS and we have